In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Format Painter tool in Microsoft Word. So assuming I have this text that I have just selected and I put in some coloration to it, I bolded it and I italize it, I change the font style to something very different from what it is, and I maybe kind of adjust it. Okay, so these many things I have done. If I want to effect the same thing here, there's going to be a lot of work. So Format Painter tool can help you do this. So all you need is to come over here. You can see it over here. This is Format Painter tool. You can click on it while selecting the property that you want to copy. So you can select the text. You can hover over the text like this, and you can just select the portion that you want to convert to that particular format. So once you release your hand, this text now is going to carry the same format like the previous one. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.